Hello everyone! Welcome back to Bun's drawing channel. Can you guess what we're going to draw today? Bun will give you a little hint. This character is very cute, with pointed ears, a mustache, and usually likes pretty bows. What do you think it is? That's right. Today, we're going to draw Kitty the cat, holding an adorable slice of watermelon. Before we begin, please prepare your paper and pens to draw with Bun. Let's get started. To draw a really cute kitty cat, follow along with Bun step by step. While you're drawing, Bun will tell you a really interesting story about Kitty the cat. Would you like to hear it? So, let's draw and listen to the story together. There was a very cute little cat named Kitty. Kitty lived in a garden full of flowers and always loved to explore everything around her. But what Kitty loved most was eating fruit, especially watermelon. One hot summer day, while walking, Kitty saw a bright red slice of watermelon lying under a tree. Kitty was so happy. She ran over, picked it up, and said, "Oh, it looks delicious." Kitty was about to eat it right away, but then she paused and thought, "It would be so sad if I ate it alone." So Kitty decided to take the watermelon to find a friend. On the way, Kitty met a little rabbit named Lily, sitting in the shade of a tree. Kitty asked, "Would you like to eat some watermelon with me?" Lily smiled and nodded immediately. A little further on, Kitty met a little bear named Ben. Kitty happily invited, "Ben, let's eat some together to cool off." Ben was also very happy and went with the two friends. The three friends found a cool spot, sat down, and shared a slice of watermelon. Each person got a small piece, but everyone smiled brightly because they were sharing. Kitty felt very happy and said, "Sharing is even more fun than eating alone." From that day on, Kitty always remembered that when she knew how to share with her friends, the joy became so much greater. Did you enjoy the story Bun just told? If you liked it, don't forget to give Bun a like, so Bun can tell even more interesting stories. Now, let's add some decorations around the picture to make it more lively. Please read the names of the shapes aloud with Bun while we draw.
Circle, circulo, square, quadrato, triangular, triangulo, diamond, rombo, heart shape, forma di corazon, rectangle, rectangulo.
Awesome! We've finished the picture. Have you all finished your pictures? Don't forget to show them to your parents for lots of compliments. Now, let's play a little game. The color selection wheel. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's begin.
Pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, red, rojo, red, rojo, red, rojo, red, rojo, red, rojo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, Verdi. Green. Verdi. Orange. Noranya. Orange. Noranya. Orange. Noranya. Orange. Noranya. Orange. Noranya. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura.
So, we've finished coloring. Now, let's count together how many decorations are around our picture. Come on, let's count out loud.
1. And no. 2. Das. 3. Ders. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis. 7. Seat.
So, we now have a total of 7 decorative shapes. I wonder what those shapes are and what colors they are. Let's all read aloud the names of the shapes and their colors together.
Square. Cuadrado. Triangular. Triangulo. Circle. Circulo. Heart shape. Forma di corazon. Diamond. Rombo. Rectangle. Rectangulo. Pink. Rosa. Red. Rojo. Orange. Noranya. Green. Verdi. Blue. Azul. Purple. Purpura. Yellow. Amarillo.
Great, we finished drawing. How about you? Are you done? Remember to share this picture with your friends, and don't forget to show it to your parents. Goodbye, everyone. This is the finished drawing. Remember to turn on notifications to see more cute drawing videos? Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.